Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Anthony. This is Dr. Casen and Dr. Bob DeMaria with the Drugless Doctors, and today we're coming to you from the Chef's Garden in Huron, Ohio on the shores of Lake Erie. And we've been learning about vegetables, which is so great because vegetables are so beneficial for your body. So some of the information we would love to share with you.
And what's really interesting, and we were just learning that these crops around here are actually buckwheat. So they were sharing with us how they will have that, and they let the soil rest, and they were talking about the microbes. And I know with you joining our Drugless Doctors family, we talked to you a lot about the gut health and the digestion. And what's really interesting is the health of the plant also impacts the health of your body. And it's truly amazing if you get online and you watch the videos of us and the Chef's Garden, how it really goes hand in hand when it comes to health and our body health. What do you think, Dr. Bob?
When I'm looking at this field, what really amazes me is that they're going to replant it at least 3 times, and they're very specific on what they're going to be putting in here next. So next, they'll be putting lettuce, so they think ahead 3 or 4 years of where their strategy is going to be. But what's so significant for you is I would encourage you to come out to the market here in Huron, because they have a stand on Saturdays that you can enjoy this fresh produce. And then also you may consider sending a box any time of year, whether it be a special holiday or for yourself personally. And what's really good is you can send it anywhere in the United States. I know that we consume the Chef Garden food, and it's made a huge difference in our overall health.